In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock down a file so only the right people can open it or make changes. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Make sure you're using the Pro version, since setting passwords and permissions is a Pro feature. Once Acrobat is open, bring in the PDF you want to protect. You can drag and drop it into the window or go to File, then Open and select your document. With the PDF open, look to the left side of the interface and choose All Tools. From the list that appears, select Protect a PDF. This takes you to Acrobat's Protection Workspace, which centralizes the security options you'll need. At the top, click Protect using password. This opens a dialog where you choose the type of protection and set the password itself. You'll see two choices. Viewing requires a password to open and read the file at all. Editing allows anyone to open and view the document, but blocks editing, printing, and copying unless the correct password is entered. If you're sharing a file outside your organization or it contains sensitive information, viewing is the more secure option. If people need to read the document freely but you want to prevent changes, choose Editing. Next, enter your password and retype it to confirm. Acrobat will display a strength meter as you type. Aim for a strong, unique password. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid common words or personal details. Longer is better. Consider storing it in a trusted password manager so you don't lose access. Remember, passwords are case sensitive. When you're satisfied, click Apply or OK to commit the setting. Acrobat will now treat your document according to the protection type you selected, but there's one more crucial step to make it permanent. Save the PDF. Use File and Save or File and Save, as if you want to keep an unprotected original for reference. Saving writes the encryption and permissions into the file so the protection travels with it wherever it's shared. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to identify as protected. That's it. For peace of mind, you can close and reopen the PDF to confirm the behavior. With viewing protection, Acrobat should prompt for the password on open. With editing protection, opening should work normally, but attempts to edit, print, or copy will require the password. With these steps, your PDF is now securely protected in Adobe Acrobat Pro.